yourself a merry little Christmas.
Good morning and Merry Christmas in July. So today is July 23rd and this is the day that we have chosen this year to do our annual Christmas in July party. So we do this every single year with my family and it's just been such a fun tradition. What we like to do is basically celebrate Christmas all day. We choose one day in the month of July and we just have a fun little party. How the day usually goes is we will wake up, we will have a yummy breakfast, we will play games as a family, we will watch movies, and then later in the evening my family comes over and we have like a whole Christmas dinner. So we will have like turkey, mashed potatoes, gravy, rolls, corn. My mom brings a pumpkin roll and then I bake my aunt's sugar cookie recipe. So that's just something that we always do at Christmas time. So it's fun to have those during the month of July as well. This year we decided that instead of watching movies all day, because we usually just have movies going on in the background, but we decided this year we wanted to sit down and watch our Christmas home videos. So we will just have like a little marathon. That's the first thing I think we'll do this morning after we eat breakfast. But we did have a little bit of a hiccup this morning because I started frosting cookies, nobody was awake yet, and I heard this loud explosion in the backyard. I knew exactly what it was because I've heard this happen before, and our transformer box looks like it exploded. So all of the power went out immediately. Today it's supposed to get to well over 100 degrees, so I was like, this is just like the worst thing that could happen. I mean, it gets so hot here so quickly, so we have just been trying to keep the house cool. But we called and reported it. The power company got to our house about an hour ago and they went in the back and couldn't reach it from our backyard because our chicken coop's in the way. Anyway, they got to our neighbor's backyard and they were able to fix it. And so all is well. Our power went on. And you know, when things like this happen, it just makes you realize how grateful you are for things like power, things that you take for granted every single day. Like how hot our house was getting, and it was still so early in the morning, our kids were just like dying. And then they were watching from our porch when the power went back on and they yelled, "Thank you!" Immediately, you know, the AC kicked on, the power was working again, and so it was just a fun way, I guess, to start the day. A little bit different, but something we probably won't forget. So we're gonna get started with the day, and then around 5 o'clock is when my family's going to come over. I don't know why I always forget to mention this because I forgot it last year too, but we also get one gift for each kid. It's around $10. It's not anything ridiculous, but it just is another fun little tradition. The kids love to like look at the presents while they're eating dinner and just wondering what's inside. It just makes it even more fun for the kids. And then one other thing we're doing different than we've never done before is we are doing a white elephant exchange. So I thought that was a fun new tradition that we would be adding to our July traditions. Anyway, we have kind of a lot of stuff we gotta do. So let's get started with the day.
Thank you!
We got you guys something we wanted you to play with before people get here today. So you can open it right now. It's for all of you.
Yes! So much you, Daddy! Wow!
This game looks so fun and I thought we could play games all day.
Peso brought it for the birthday.
Yeah, it was. I remember you guys had so much fun. So you guys want to play it?
Yes! Wait, let's let Elliot go. Elliot, here. Because Elliot. Keep going. Oh. Oh.
Can you put it on blue?
Put that right there. Put that right there. One. Yay! Ozzy, make sure you put that. Ozzy, right here. Yellow and yellow. Now do it 4 times. Oh,
You're welcome!
I just spoke, Daddy. Do it again. Merry little Christmas, have yourself a merry little Christmas, have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know, but for now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We both know love, the love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes and you would know, my God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas, and the fire's raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song. Just having so much fun while we're here, and we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone. Merry Christmas, everyone. So just keep kissing me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for the summers. I know there's no pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. Now, Merry Christmas.
You open it? Look, I think it's a. Oh, it's a mat. Yo, he just honestly wanted just to open the present.
Look.
Oh, I think it's sweeter. Who's it?
Who do you guys think?
Cookie. That's Cookie. That's mine. That's my fifth guess.
Oh, is that Bo?
You go.
Well, I'll bet you like to see it in July, don't you?
Yeah.
I know what it is. Oh, yep. It has to be. It's a box. Yellow. Yes.
This is like Christmas morning again with this purple.
I need
You love purple? Oh man.
Give it to me.
He keeps going.
Cheese.
So cute.
This is sand. I used to do this. Look, it's supposed to do that. Oh.
Go show your, hey, go show your mom. Go show mom.
Yay. And there's a box.
Above or something?
You got another box. That's a bag. And now you get a bag. You have a bag. Oh, it's thank you.
Oh, it's so good.
Yes. Wait, guys, I didn't know the vacation. You got them. No. You got both of them? Oh, no. What?
Are those some of the ones you drew?
Wow. Oh yeah, you look literally like Santa on Christmas morning. Huh? Yep, you are. I mean, it would be easier. And Mom in there, her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled right down for a long winter's nap. Went right on the left. Right on the left. Keep it. Right on the left one. There, Rosie. I spring right. I don't.
Right. You got two Barkers here together.
We have four. I don't know how. Okay.
What is it?
Wait, who got this?
You lying?
I want it.
You lying sack.
You lying?
You hang it to on your cart.
It's a game?
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, great!
It looks like a game to me. Looks like a calendar.
Aw.
Wrapping dog.
Out of everyone to get that,
I
Grandma.
Do you think I'm gonna hang that up?
I might
You better.
I'll trade you.
Grandma.
Get these pictures.
Oh, Joe's open yours. Yours is
Okay.
great.
Be unstoppable. That's a cute box.
Well,
Be
they
unstoppable.
all do it, that's for sure.
Tiny hat.
That's every kind of chocolate.
Yes.
These dolls at work all the. Okay, that's hilarious.
Okay.
You just keep coming.
There we go.
Oh.
That's what I was hoping for.
Is that funny?
Yours. I feel like I failed.
Well, mine isn't funny.
No.
It's a funny animal paw sock.
How about that? Look at him. Oh my gosh. That is so weird.
So weird.
Oh my gosh. Mason, you're like those.
My brother-in-law had a garage shelf. And he had this there.
What? Oh, yours is.
And then
Oh, it's a Santa. It's a Santa
it's a
blanket.
Christmas thing with butterflies.
Oh,
Dad.
wow. Oh, wow.
I was like, are you kidding me? No, the story with
Yeah.
Dad.
Yeah, who said that?
And
Oh
it's
my
music.
gosh.
Awesome.
I was like,
Yeah,
what?
that's
Like,
beautiful.
hello, Dad.
I'm sorry.
I love
Oh, I'm so glad. I'm glad that you got the butterfly.
Oh, I was wondering what this was.
a candle.
Lovely.
No, I'm looking at
Vanilla. That's the strong one. She
Oh, that's his.
got a candle. Well, is it? Thank you.
There's a big hole in it.
That's the joke.
That's the joke.
What is it?
Kenny Chesney, the big reveal.
Is this him on a bus?
This is him on a bus. The,
Oh, it's the album.
the album.
Heck yeah.
That's great.
Kenny.
He can't even open it.
Puts her foot in her mouth.
Who's got the lime sack?
Oh my gosh. He was playing with it all that time. I keep putting my foot in it.
Oh, nice. That's actually awesome. I love that.
What is it?
For the shower?
No, it's a cup holder for your French fries.
Wait, what?
So you put it in your cup holder.
How do you
to
know
hold the
that?
thing- It has a picture.
Oh. I was like, how would you know that that's for French
I
fries?
have something like that I hang on my walker that I put
For
my
French fries. She hangs French fries from her walker.
French fry out to go.
We had such a fun day, and once everybody leaves, that's when we like to sit down and watch a movie. This year we put on Christmas Cookies. This is a Hallmark movie, and it is such a cute movie. You guys have to see it. Anyway, that's everything for today's Christmas in July video. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you felt all the Christmas vibes. Even with the hot temperature and the fact it's July, we definitely feel like it's still Christmas on this special day. So thank you guys again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
We're here live for the annual Festival of Christmas Lights in the magical town of Cookie Jar. A town teeming with all things Christmas, as you can see. A town that's home of the famous Aunt Sally's Christmas Cookie Company. You may remember those wonderful, sweet, sugary delights from your childhood. We're here with some longtime residents. Lighting this tree marks the beginning of something special in Cookie Jar.
Yes, it does. The lighting of this tree marks the beginning of our Christmas season.
You're all